My name is Chang. I am from Santa Fe Springs, California. I'm out here representing with R Rydes. I have a 1993 Mazda RX-7 1JZ powered. People don't like it, but it's my build.
Hey Will, man, it's good to see you. Good to meet you here in person.
Pleasure.
At Formula Drift Long Beach for PASMAG's Tuning 365. You have a beautiful FD RX-7. Please tell us all about it, man.
I have a 93 FD, 1JZ powered motor swap.
It's a 1JZ, okay, yeah.
No Rotary in here, sorry.
Yeah.
I know the diehard fans of the Rotary, but I had to give it up. Too many problems. 1JZ with the CD09, basically a 350Z transmission. Custom top mount, custom front mount, custom, basically everything.
I can imagine, yeah. What power is in the motor right now?
It does 632 on E85.
Okay. When you look at the motor and as it performs and you're driving it, any like regrets at all? Or from Rotary to 1J?
None.
None, right?
None. I don't have to premix. I don't have to do any other stuff. Just get in the car, fire up, and just go.
Do you have more fun driving the 1J than the Rotary?
I do.
There it is.
I do.
Please tell me about the wheels and tires, man.
So the wheels are drift wheels. It's a brand new company that started up this year.
Yep.
It was showcased in SEMA last year. It's a one-off wheel. It's a freeform wheel with Falcon tires that sponsored from SEMA last year as well. They're all season, but awesome tires to drive around every day, comfortable, quiet.
The suspension.
Suspension-wise, it's on Air Force air suspension with airlift 3P management, dual Viair compressors.
Very cool. And of all the pieces you have in the vehicle, do you have any favorite part? Do you have a favorite part at all?
It's got to be the motor swap.
Yeah, there it is.
Everybody that comes around and sees underneath the hood realizing, the hell is that?
Exactly. Witchcraft, people say, right?
Exactly.
Any future modifications and parts to the FD?
Future modification is finish the interior, put audio in it, complete the whole car. The exterior is all finished, but it's not enough.
Now, when you say complete the car, you're going to make it a complete show car then, right?
Exactly.
You still drive it?
I do drive it.
Track it?
I don't track it.
Yeah.
I do want to drag it.
Ooh, very cool, very cool. Yeah, to up the horsepower gains then, huh?
We'll see. If I blow this motor, I'll build it a little bit stronger to go, I'm boosting 30 pounds now.
30 pounds?
30 pounds.
Wow, and it's a strong motor. I've loved what you did with the FD, man, and thank you for showing up here at Formula Drift.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.